I'm picking the leftover of the pink lady. Oh, let's see something. If I'm in the screen. November 20th. Snow starting. So I'll show you something. Having a lunch break. It's getting pretty cold. Yeah, snow is starting, so it's getting a lot cooler. I'll just go around. Just a few apples left over in the trees. Those ones, their leaves are all gone. They're golden. Those are the pink lady. Leaves are falling off. But I'll show you something funny. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now with the tractor. I'm just picking up the leftover from because some were green, so we didn't pick them. So the ones that were green, we didn't pick them. So there's still some left over in the trees. See, those trees are almost empty. They were good to pick. So, but I want to show you something. There's some on the ground that fell. Out here, there's lots of coyote, eh? And in the winter, the coyote, they eat mostly mice, eh? So there's not that much grass. So the mice, when they get their baby and they make their nest, the little baby, they make lots of noise, eh? So the coyote can hear them through the snow just by walking around. So what the mice do, which is very, very funny, you see those trees? Well, they will. I'll move my ladder a little bit so I can go up. Okay, so what they'll do, they'll climb the tree and find an old nest. See, that's an old robin nest, and they'll build a nest on it, in it. See, look at that. Funny, eh? See that? That's all grass, and it's being brought in. And if I open it, he might have baby in there. So I'm not going to disturb it, but that's what the mice do. They find a nest in a tree when there's no space to do it in the grass, the long grass, and they'll just build a nest right in the bird nest. It's so funny. I've been seeing that all over, so it's funny. Not much snow there. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. I'm going row by row, 2 rows at the time, and I'm picking up the leftover apple. That thing is for the bugs, so the packing house can come and check what kind of bugs, if there's a new bug and a new strain of something. So, okay. So leftover pick in the fall. The whole shed back there. It's a nice hole right there, right up there. I've been looking at it each time I work here. It's a little hole. I checked it with the binocular. But like the coyote, they stay in the mountain up here on the side of the orchard and stuff. So. Hey, look at this one. It's right in the tree. Right there. See? See this one? Mice don't dig tunnels, so if they find a nest, a bird nest, they'll use it as foundation. But if they don't find a nest, then they'll just do it on the branch. See this branch going under the wire, so there's a foundation, so they'll just build it there, and they're gonna have their baby in there. Because on the ground, like, there's no log, there's no rock to squeeze around, so when they don't really dig tunnel, the mice, they mostly stay above ground, under log, inside log, and stuff like that, eh? So that's what they'll do. It's funny.